In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a YouTube video to your Canva creations in just a few simple steps. We'll walk through everything you need to know to seamlessly embed your favorite videos into your Canva presentations, making your designs more dynamic and engaging. So let's get started with this straightforward process. First, head over to Canva's website by typing in canva.com into your browser. Once there, you'll need to sign in by clicking the login button located on the upper right corner of the page. Canva offers a few convenient options for signing in. You can use your Google account, connect via Facebook, or simply use your email credentials for access. Choose whichever method you're comfortable with and get logged into your account. Now that you're in, let's move forward to creating a design. On the left corner of your screen, you'll notice three horizontal lines. Clicking these will open up the main menu. In this menu, you should then click on Create a Design. This will take you to a variety of templates and different kinds of layouts you can choose from. Whether you're making a presentation, a social media post, or another type of creation, make sure to select the template that suits your project best. Before moving on, make sure you have the video you want to embed ready. Go over to YouTube, find your desired video, and copy its URL from the browser's address bar. You'll need this link handy for the next part of the process. Once you have the URL copied, return to your design on Canva. To place the video into your creation, just paste the copied URL directly onto your Canva project. This is as simple as pressing Command+V on a Mac or Control+V on a Windows PC. What happens next is quite magical. The video will be automatically embedded right into your presentation like it was always meant to be there. You can then resize and reposition it as needed within your design, ensuring it fits perfectly with the rest of your elements. And that's all there is to it. You've now mastered the art of adding a YouTube video to your Canva design. This not only enhances the visual appeal of your work, but it also makes your presentations more interactive and engaging for your audience. Feel free to experiment further with other media elements in Canva to unlock even more creative possibilities. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.